YouTube, what's going on, man? I'm back, man. I'm back. I'm trying to remain consistent, brother. I'm trying to remain consistent, so I'm doing the best I can. Pretty much all I'm doing in this video is pretty much gonna be talking about my channel, my car, and then the future of my channel and car to see what you guys think I should do, okay? But let me get out. Let me give you guys a quick walk around. You guys already know big changes from the last video. I mean, I got the ambient lights now. You already saw the full wheel from the intro last video, but the ambient lights are good. I set it up myself. They're chasing. They have, I think, over 200 some modes, which is really, really nice. I did this myself. It was a lot. I'll throw a picture up on the screen if I have it of this entire top part here, just like fucking discombobulated, like off. But let me give you guys a quick walk around on the car real quick. I need wheels, man. I genuinely think that I think wheels might be my next purchase. I'll be honest. Wheels might be my next purchase. And then after wheels, I was gonna buy the trim kit for underneath. Normally the higher models have the trim that have the fog lights. I was gonna install those, but yeah, that's how we're looking, man. That's how we're looking. Let's see, sound clip time. I made this channel because I started growing and gaining my knowledge on cars, bro. I started loving cars more and more and more, and I started doing stuff to my car. So I was like, you know what, let me try and share my passion of cars and put that on other people, because why not? Why wouldn't I do that? That's literally like a dream, bro. I've always wanted to do content creation. I've done it before on gaming videos. I used to have, I think, like 5,000 subs. I had one of my videos hit 100K views. Like, I can do this content creation shit, but I kind of grew out of gaming. Man. Gaming just got so boring after a while, and it's, I mean, it's like that with everybody, but that's just life. So I picked up cars. So I'm gonna be recording car vlogs, me going out with friends, like car meets. By car vlogs, I mean me popping out to photo shoots with my friends. We're just driving, cutting up, racing, whatever the case may be. In Mexico, of course. But that's just what we're gonna be doing. The things I wanna do to this car, I wouldn't be able to do with my current trim, with this current edition of the car, if that makes sense. So me being me, right, I'm young. I saw this car at a dealership. I didn't really look into the trims because I didn't know much about the trims. I thought majority of them came in the fucking 2.0 Sport. But no, I rushed into the sale and I'm stuck now. This is a Honda Accord 1.5 LX. But yeah, I don't even have paddle shifters on this shit. Nothing. And I didn't know that until I learned more and more about the Hondas, bro. I rushed into stuff without knowing what they were, causing me to get this car, causing me to get this I'm not gonna say it's a piece of shit, because it's not a piece of shit. Like, it's a great car, don't get me wrong, like, I love this car, but it's like, brother, I could have gotten a Beamer or the higher trim with the same fucking price that I'm paying monthly for this, bro. That's one thing that got me mad every time I thought about this. I'm not saying that I'm not grateful for the car. Trust me, I'm extremely grateful. But it's like, for the price that I'm paying, I could have gotten something easily better. Easily better. I have two options, all right? Two main options now. I'm either looking at possibly trading, but I was gonna stack up by the end of the year to trade this car in and use the money I got to put towards the down payment of the new car, which then they'll cover the negative equity that I have on this car, because I'm already under, like, haven't had this car for a year yet, and I'm already under negative equity. So that's one thing that I fucking hated. All right. And the car I would be getting would be a Honda Accord 2.0, the one that I wanted originally, the Steel Night Pearl or the black. But I was gonna heavily modify that, keep that for the long run, and then drag that shit till that shit drops. Second option now, may be a little controversial, mainly due to my age. But that would be saving the same money I was gonna save up for the 2.0. I was gonna put that down towards a whole new car in general, which would be the BMW M340i. Now I know it's not a real M, yada yada yada. I don't care. It says M, it's an M, nigga. Shut up. The only reason I'm thinking about this like in a bad, I wouldn't say bad way, but like in a way where like it can be detrimental, because one, I'm only 21, all right? Only 21. Now, I'm bringing up my age because I'm still in school and I'm still working at a decent job, but I know that once I get this Beamer, then one paycheck or majority of my paycheck will go towards the car itself. Now, obviously, I know that getting a BMW at this age will be pricey, but like at the same time, you gotta sacrifice, bro. You gotta sacrifice. Like you can't expect to get a nice car without having some type of sacrifice happening, okay? That's all I'm saying. Another big thing, if I was to go for this damn Honda Accord 2.0, then the mods and shit that I can get on this car will easily fit on the other one. That's just my main two options, man. If I was gonna go for the 2.0 Honda, honestly, I was gonna just look for wheels next as my next purchase on this car. I want to get new wheels, bro. I'm rocking the stock wheels, the OEM wheels, and they're fucking ugly. They're horrible, bro. Wheels are garbage. And then obviously would be headlights, you know, just nice shit that'll look good for the car, bro. And I'm just stuck in that predicament right now. But that's what this channel is gonna entail. There's a cop with his lights on. I don't know if you guys can see it in the thing. Like, yeah. There's another one down there too. I don't know if they're coming up, but I gotta dip, brother. I would love to stick with Honda because I love the way the Honda body style is, bro. With the nice lip and diffuser, and like actually good parts, not some cheap shit from Amazon. Like, the car will look amazing, and it can hold power. What's something I can do for this car to make content out of it between now and December? Off rip, I generally want to get new wheels regardless if I'm keeping the car or not. That's 1000%. I need to get new wheels. These stock wheels look so garbage, brother. What kind of car is that behind me? I'm gonna slow down real quick and see. Hey, bro, he wanted to race me, bro. He started with me, yo. I think the next mod would be wheels, and then after the wheels, I want to say a downpipe. By me not having paddle shifters on my car, like on my steering wheel, bro, like that, and this not only that, but this being a CVT, bro, there's no real benefit. Like, I don't think I'm gonna get burbles. It's just like, it's just gonna be loud. That's all it's gonna be, just loudness. I had to switch to fucking phone because my damn fucking video thing died. Alright, cops definitely chill over here, bro. Definitely chill over here. I'm trying to... Oh my god. Speaking of cops, bro, I literally said, yo, let me get a sound clip for you guys. And I hit record on both the dash cam and the GoPro that I use. Brother, I went to go floor it. There was a cop that's sitting right there and like by the street area, right there. I never slammed on my brakes so fucking hard, bro. Sound clips for y'all. But hey, man, I just want to say, I really, genuinely appreciate you guys stopping by, yo, and watching the videos. Like, my first video did much better than I expected. I can't be more grateful than what I am right now, bro. Like I'm super happy about like what's going on. The main thing is now making sure you guys subscribe, bro. Subscribe to the channel. I will be posting more consistently. But yeah, let's get it, man.